Hello and welcome to this Unity tutorial on how to convert a 3D project to the universal render pipeline. So you're going to go up to Window, into Package Manager, and you're going to search Universal RP for Universal Render Pipeline. You're going to click Install. Once it's installed, you should see a green check mark next to it, and down in the corner it's going to say Remove instead of Install. We can now close out of that, and I'm going to create a plane just to demonstrate. And I'm going to name it Water because I have a water material set up. If I go into this material and I drag this on, you'll see that it's pink, and it's not supposed to be. It's because we don't have a render pipeline asset. So we need to go into Create, Rendering, Universal Render Pipeline, Pipeline Asset. I'm going to name mine URP. And I'm going to go to Project Settings. And under Graphics, if we drag in the Universal Render Pipeline asset, you'll see that we now can see the water here. And this should work, but if it doesn't and you want to convert old materials that you've created before this, you can go to Edit, Render Pipeline, Universal Render Pipeline, Upgrade Project Materials to Universal Render Pipeline Materials. It will say, this upgrade will override any materials in your project. Make sure you have a backup. Create a backup and click Proceed. Since I created this water material in the Universal Render Pipeline, there's no material to update. But if you have materials from the past, click that and you should be good. If this video gets 10 likes, I will show you how to create this simple water material with shader graph, which is an easier alternative to traditional coding shaders. But if you found this video useful, leave a like or subscribe. And thank you for watching. See you in the